Good morning. Today, holy cow, I'm about to do something crazy, but I won't tell until I have my cup of coffee. It is 7:41. I just said goodbye to my sister, which is really sad because I'm gonna miss her. But luckily, she plans to come out this summer to Kelowna for July, so I'll see her in like 2 months, which is really awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna be flying by myself internationally for the first time of my life today. I've only ever traveled nationally 3 times by myself. Those were direct flights also, which made it super easy. This time, not only is it internationally, but I'm also going to 2 different stops. So I'm flying to Calgary first, and then I'm flying to Edmonton. When I get through customs, to be honest, that's where the stress is. I don't like customs because it's very intimidating to me. I've been told by someone who works in customs not to worry, and he's like, it's nothing to be worried about. And I was like, you are an awesome customs person, thank you. God bless. I am literally feeling so sick to my stomach right now. I'm just so nervous. I feel like I could puke. Blech. We're leaving now. My stomach going crazy. So Mama's gonna help me check in, and she's gonna stick with me all the way until I go into the line for security, and then I'm on my own from there.
Everything's gonna be good.
Well, here I am. I am on my own now, and I'm freaking out, kind of, mainly because I just really hate the feeling when you feel like you forgot something. And I made sure I'd had everything like 3 times. I'm just walking aimlessly looking. Oh, there it is. I found my gate. Yay. I made it past customs. It was easy peasy lemon squeezy. I know where my gate is, but we won't go there just yet. I'm starving, so we're gonna go find somewhere good to eat and kill time because I have 4 hours here in Calgary. I'm excited to get my eats on. Here it is. I hadn't eaten so much, I would have grabbed something from the Sweet Factory. But you know what? The next time I come here, you know exactly where I'm going. So there's a charger right behind me here. And I'm gonna chill here for a bit while my phone charges, and guess what it's beside? I mean, this is really, really tempting me right now. Someone get me some candy over here. I'll give you money, you can get me some candy. I mean, I caved. Much better. So my charger completely crapped out on me, so it's not charging my phone anymore. So I'm looking for a new charger.
Look at these Canadian hats though. They're amazing.
Hey.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to WestJet Flight 155 with service up to Edmonton.
That's
so,
me.
everybody boarding passes. It says we're going to start boarding about 5 minutes time.
Are you serious? I have to find a charger now.
I'll let you guys know. Before we start boarding, though, like different.
So I bought this really cool cord that has a strength resistant around the entire cord so that it doesn't bend out like my old one did.
Remercions de votre attention et de votre collaboration.
Boarding my last plane of the day. It's always awkward doing that.